waiting for the TV to tell me what to do, what not to do. There we go. All right, Seal. Let me know when you're ready.
Hi, my name is Marvin from sales. We just came from Beijing to here, so it's glad to be here. In this hour, I'm just trying to stay awake. So let's hope that we can get this through smoothly. The name of SAIL comes from two words: securities, SE, allocation, AL. So obviously, we are finance public chain. What is SAIL? We all know the blockchain has a technology trilemma. In the financial industry, security is of the most importance. So SEAL is a finance public chain focused on security. To that end, we have done three parts of work. First, our consensus is random POS, based on verifiable random function. And second, we have an extended UTXO model. Extended meaning we support multi-currency and we support digitalized financial asset. That is actually pretty cool because nobody has ever done that before in the blockchain world. And third, our product, D2D Gateway, has integrated CODA and the Lightning Network. And CODA, you might know, is specially designed for financial institutions, and it has the highest security level. And SEAL also, we focus purely on financial asset transaction. Why is that? We think about blockchain. Blockchain provides trust among strangers, right? When do we need trust? When we do transactions, especially when we do financial transactions. So that's exactly what SEAL does. And we do that with a built-in gold standard stablecoin. And fourth feature for us is our multiple applications are not just stories. They are already existing business practices. They are online and has millions of users. I will get back to that later. This is our 6 layers of technology architecture. We have token mechanism on the bottom, then consensus and smart contract layer, blockchain ID, decentralized payment, decentralized exchange, on top many applications. This is a diagram for our consensus. I just put it up there just to show that we do have the technology. We just don't have time to talk about today. What I do want to talk about today is applications. First one, stablecoin. These are the blockchain browsers of our stablecoin. Anybody can log in and check all the real data about the stablecoin. Our stablecoin is gold standard, meaning we use gold as collateral, and the face value is pegged with US dollar. And another feature about stablecoin is the stablecoin is not issued just to speculate on crypto prices. It is issued to facilitate real financial asset transactions. Second case, S-Labs. This is our own company. S-Labs is a leading blockchain ABS and supply chain finance player in China. We have many customers. I named 2 here. In May of this year, we have deployed, we believe, the world's first blockchain ABS asset management system for Debang Securities. Debang Securities is the #1 ABS house in China. Last year, they did $50 billion worth of ABS. And second customer, China Resources Beer, the #1 beer player in China. They just received $12 billion investment from Heineken. And we have signed a contract with them last month, and we are using blockchain to provide supply chain loans for over 40,000 of its upstream suppliers and downstream distributors. That loan amount could reach $3 billion next year. Score One is a P2P company out of Vietnam. Right now they have 1 million customers. And we are talking with other partners in Philippines, Indonesia, and Thailand. And that application, we believe next year can reach over 10 million users. This is a platform we have developed for Score One. Titan Cloud is another supply chain player in Southeast Asia in the travel industry. Right now they have over 6,000 travel agent customers. All these applications, most of them use stablecoin to buy and sell the financial asset. Of course, we have a transaction fee as income, and all transaction pay SEAL as gas. So SEAL is a gas token. This is the Titan Cloud platform we have designed. It's up and running already. This is our team. I have a finance background. I worked for Lehman and the UBS in New York and Hong Kong. And among us, we have close to 100 years of financial experience. And in finance arena, experience do matter. These are our advisors, and all from traditional finance companies. From Xu Yang is VP from Baidu, and Zhou Hao is the VP for Lending Club right here in San Francisco. Okay, last but not least is our roadmap. As you can see, we started 2 years ago. Our product has been deployed last year, and so, this month our stablecoin will be online, along with our P2P platform. And by the end of this year, our SEAL chain will be launched, and our SEAL coin will be issued as well. Thank you. That's all. Just in case you ask a question about what I do here, the objective, we don't. Our primary objective is not to seek investment per se, because our major objective is to make us heard, especially in the States. We are quite famous in China already, but we want to make our voice here. But raising funds is an eternal subject. We are always open to talk about it, but at this stage, we don't have an exact plan about how much money we want to raise. Thank you. I'm sorry? Yeah. The gold will be a consortium chain. So the gold contributors will put gold in banks, say UBS, and will have we call it the inventory number. That inventory number will be on the chain, so you can call the bank and ask number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how much gold is the gold there. So we use the bank credit for that.
So it's time for judges' feedback, and I'm gonna add Fu to one of the judges, so I know Fu, he has done a tremendous job. So please share your feedback.
I think I would say that I think the presentation was great. The only thing I would add is maybe make it more clear what the actual product is. So,
well, we are a public chain, so we don't actually solve one pain point. We have many applications. Different applications solve different issues. So we provide the platform, the infrastructure, the token.
Yeah.
Just to follow up, probably you can add some most frequently used use cases for your application. So that way it's very easy for audience to understand what kind of problems you guys are solving.
Okay, understood. Yeah, thank you. That's it.
So thank you. It's a very solid presentation. I think a lot of the products offering very encouraging. I think a question already asked regarding stable. You're using gold, and you said it's how to verify that. It's very good. But great products. I know you are not raising fund, but I think I know understanding what you are doing.
Yeah, we're always interested. Thank you.
Okay. Very good. But probably if you want to more clear, just highlight few products.
Maybe to deduce the applications, maybe to talk about 2 or 3 of them.
It's not necessarily a correction, just,
We
but
have
just
too many.
some thought I want to share
Understood,
with you.
understood.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much. Please give him a big round of applause. All right, we're gonna get as the mic starts working. All right, who's the next startup? All right, social chains. Do we have social chains? Yes, we do.